Friends, guess what's on the menu? Oreo Cheesecake Brownies. Picture this. Cheesecake and that oh-so-yummy Oreo crunch. Let's whip up this tasty treat and indulge together. Let's get started with the ingredients. For the cheesecake filling, you'll need 8 ounces or 225 grams of softened cream cheese and egg, a quarter cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 10 crushed Oreo cookies. Okay, so here's what you'll need for the brownie batter. Grab 1 cup of melted semi-sweet chocolate chips, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of softened unsalted butter, and lastly, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So to start off, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grab a 20 by 20 centimeters baking pan, line it with parchment paper, and give it a light coating with non-stick cooking spray. Set that aside for now. We'll be using it shortly. Now it's time to make that creamy cheesecake layer. Grab an electric whisk and in a bowl, beat the cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla together until light and fluffy. Okay, then gently fold in those delicious crushed Oreo cookies. Set this heavenly mixture aside for a little bit. All right, friends, it's time to make this awesome brownie batter. In a separate bowl, start by combining your softened butter and sugar. Next up, crack in those eggs. Keep whisking until they're completely blended. Now, here comes the chocolatey goodness. Add your melted chocolate chips. Mix everything until it looks super creamy and perfectly combined. Let's move on to the next step in crafting this delightful treat. Take a moment to incorporate the flour, cocoa powder, and the salt into the mixture. Employ a spatula for this task, gently folding the ingredients together. Okay, so now take about half of that chocolatey goodness, spread it lovingly at the bottom of your prepared pan. Make it nice and even. Now, pour over the cheesecake cookie mix. Finally, plop the rest of the brownie batter on top and using the back of a spoon. Give it a little smoothing hug. Stick the pan in the oven and leave it there for roughly 35 minutes. Give these yummy treats some time to cool down completely before you dig in and enjoy their deliciousness. Waiting might be tough, but the flavors get even better when they've had a chance to cool off. So resist the urge, let them chill, and then get ready for a tasty experience. Well, there you go. Your Oreo cheesecake brownie bars are ready to steal the show. Share the love, spread the recipe with your pals, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delightful recipes on 5D Lish. Until next time, happy baking, friends!